Am I audible? Now I am audible?
Voice is breaking.
Do. Now audible? Now audible? Audible here? Audible here? I am audible? I am audible here now or not?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, sometimes you are audible, sometimes not.
Then what I do now?
Now I'm not
Huh?
audible.
Not audible.
No, ma'am, not clearly.
So let us see. I am audible? I am audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now
Ma'am, radio sound is coming.
radio sound. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. That type something sound is coming, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Okay. So that is where from that is coming, that I don't know. So okay, it is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Now
Okay.
visible.
This example. Now whether this sequence it is 3 by n plus 5 is increasing, decreasing or monotonic. You may get this type of short question, you see. So what I'll do? It is your nth term, though it is n plus 5 it is written. So n plus 1, what will I do? It is 3 by n plus 1 plus 5. That is 3 by n plus 6. Which one is greater? N is greater or n plus 1 is greater? Tell me. Which one is greater? It is 3 by n plus 5 and it is 3 by n plus 6. Which one is greater?
M plus 6. Sorry, ma'am. M plus 5, ma'am. 3 by M plus 5.
Yes, it is greater than this one. So if it is
Yes,
greater
ma'am.
than this, n is greater than n plus 1. So what we say it is increasing to the limit. It is showing to you.
Ma'am, voice is not audible.
Wow. Well, then we say because you any one that is The question is asking. Hello. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am.
I'm not audible. What I do?
Ma'am, I think network issue, ma'am. Today, your network issue, ma'am. Very bad network.
Very bad network, better. Let me.
Ma'am, once you do one thing, ma'am, you turn up the Wi-Fi and again you on it, ma'am. It may get some net issue fixed.
No.
Yes, ma'am. You leave and join again.
And turn off your computer, laptop also. Then join.
Now I'm audible. Now I'm audible.
Yes.
Okay. ଏଟା ମୁଁ କରିବି କଣ ମୁଁ ତ ନିଜେ ବି ଜାଣିପାରୁନି so okay so that the sequence n is equal to n by n square plus 1 is decreasing so that it is decreasing so n is equal to this one n plus 1 what did I down n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 square plus 1 we write down this way so here n plus 1 square plus 1 is less than, it must be less than n by n square plus 1. So how we find out it is less than? So here you see inequality is equivalent here. It is, this is y equal to, it is your n square, it is multiplied here, then it is multiplied here. Then we say, we get it is 1 is less than n square plus n. Since n is greater than 1, we know that the greater than equal to 1, we are always considering the value n as the greater than 1. So we know that the inequality n square plus 1 is greater than 1. So okay, n square plus n is greater than is 1. So we get that the sequence is decreasing. Therefore, it is n plus 1 is less than n and it is your sequence is decreasing. Next, bounded. A sequence n is bounded above if there is a number m such that n is less than equal to m for all n greater than equal to 1. It is bounded below if there is a number m such that m is less than equal to n for all n greater than equal to 1. It is bounded above and below, then n is bounded sequence. We said that n is a bounded sequence. Okay, so now, example, the sequence n is equal to n is bounded below because n is greater than 0 but not above. The sequence n is equal to n by n plus 1 is bounded because you see it is 0 is less than n is less than 1 or all are n. So we say it is bounded. So forget it is your task to find out here. Determine whether the sequence n is equal to 1 minus 0.2 to the power n convergence or divergence. If it convergence, 5 its limit. So we may get this type of question. Here it is 1 minus 0.2 to the power n. Limit n convergence, limit n tends to infinity. limit n tends to infinity, that is 1 minus 0.2 to the power a, that is n. So 0.2 is our 2 by 10. That is here I can write down it is 2 by 10. So it is 1 by 5. Limit n tends to infinity, 5 to the power n is our infinity. So 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So we get this value is a finite number. So the sequence is convergent. So this is one example that is also important minded. So now to be this is your exercise problem. That is your question number 23. Here it is important one. So now determine whether the sequence n is equal to 1 by 2n plus 3 is increasing, decreasing, or not monotonic. Is the sequence bounded? So now here it is n is equal to 2n plus 3. The question here it is written another way. So I am solving that problem. It is your n is equal to 1 by 2n plus 3. N plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into n plus 1 plus 3. So that is equal to 1 by 2n plus that is 5. So which one is greater? 1 by 2n plus 3 or 1 by 2n plus 5? Which one is greater? I am audible?
1 by 2 and plus 3.
Hmm? Which one is greater?
1 by 2 and plus 3.
Yes, so we say that n is greater than n plus 1. So we say it is increasing, decreasing, which one? What do you say about this? It is increasing, decreasing. What do you say it is? According to your definition, it is decreasing. It is decreasing. Okay? So it is over, I think. This article is over. Read. And here it is solve other questions. And here you have the assignment question. You have a lesson plan. Still that I am saying to you, assignment questions are 13, 14, 23, 33, 56, 76. 13, 14, 24, 33, 56, 76. Now come to the 11.2. That is your series. You have the sequence n is equal to n 1 to infinity. The any sequence. Adding and subtracting of sequence produce a series. On adding the term of an infinite sequence, that is your n is equal to 1 to infinity, you get the expression of the form a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 up to n then onwards, because n is equal to 1 to infinity, which is called an infinite series denoted by n is equal to 1 to infinity, that is your n, or you can write down like this. So now the series infinite sequence 1 by n is equal to 1 to infinity in the form of series, that I can write down. It is in the series we have to write down in the summation. N is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 dot 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 1 by n. That is your infinite series. Okay. Now here 1 by 2 to the power n. That series I can write down summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 to the power n, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, it is your series. Now come to the partial sum. Here We have the series A1, A2, A3, A4 plus up to N, then dot dot dot. So we say the first partial sum, which is as denoted as S1, that is our only A1. Second partial sum, that is our A1 plus A2. Third partial sum S3, that is called A1 plus A2 plus A3. Fourth, similarly A1 plus A2 plus A3, A. So the nth partial sum, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to A. This is called your nth partial sum. So here we get the sequence, it is your S1, S2, S3, S4, Sn. This partial sum form a new sequence, that is where n is equal to 1 to infinity, that is your S1, S2, S3, S4. So nth partial sum is our Sn, which may or may not have limit. If limit n tends to infinity S exists, it is a finite number, then we say it is convergent. Otherwise, it is, we say, is divergent. You see here, for this series, is convergent. You see, the sequence Sn is convergent. Limit n tends to infinity, S exists is a real number, then the series n is called convergent, and we write it is your 1 up to n, that is your S. We mean summation over n is equal to 1 to n is equal to S. The number S is called the sum of the series. If the sequence Sn is divergent, there is a series called the divergent. Now, suppose that the sum of the first nth term of the series summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity n is Sn is equal to A1 plus A2 plus it is our up to n. That value is equal to 2n divided by 3n plus 5. Then the sum of the series is the limit of the sequence Sn. That is your limit n tends to infinity. What I'm getting? I'm getting a finite number. So we say that the series is convergent. Then we say that the series is convergent. Now come to the geometric series. Geometric series is your summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity a r to the power n minus 1. This is not r minus 1, this is your n minus 1. N minus 1. So we have, by substituting n is equal to 1, we have the value ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus up to a r to the power n minus 1, then so. Is convergent. This series is convergent if absolute value of r is less than 1 and its sum is, the sum is our a by 1 minus r. The absolute value of r is less than 1, then we say it is convergent, otherwise we say it is divergent. And geometrical series is most important part. I think you must get one question from this geometric series. So here, if absolute value of r is greater than 1, greater than equal to 1, greater than equal to 1, then geometric series is divergent. Now, example. N is equal to 1 to infinity, 2 to the power 2n, 3 to the power 1 minus n. Convergent or divergent. 2 to the power 2n, 3 to the power 1 minus n, it is convergent or divergent. So what we write down here it is, we write down 2 to the power 2 whole to the power n, then 3 to the power minus of n minus 1. We convert it in the form of n minus 1. So we write down it is our, in the form 2 to the power 2, that is your 4 to the power n, divided by 3 to the power n minus 1. You see, this is written here. Okay? It is written here. Now, here, though it is written as 4 to the power n, that I can convert 4 into 4 to the power n minus 1. So that I can write down in the form 4 into 4 by 3 n minus 1. So what is the value of r here? It is here the value of r is 4 by 3. If r is 4 by 3, that is greater than 1. So we say it is divergent. The series is divergent. So you may get question for the geometrical series, convert that one in this way, then you find out your value. So now, so that the series n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n into n plus 1 is convergent and find its sum. So 1 by, here it is, 1 by n into n plus 1. That I am writing here in this way, 1 by I into I plus 1. That is 1 by I minus 1 by I plus 1. That is your nth partial sum, I is equal to 1 to n. That is the value, summation over I is equal to 1 to n, 1 by I plus 1. That I can write down here, summation over I is equal to 1 to n, 1 by I minus 1 by I plus 1. I can write down in this way. So here 1 by I is equal to 1 to n, that I can write down. It is your, by substituting the value 1, 2 as I, so we get it is 1. It is I is equal to 1, we get it is 1, 1 minus 1 by 2. Then plus, it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Then plus 1 by I'm audible. Here I'm audible. No net. It is disconnected. No net. नहीं मैंने इतने हरियाणा जी Here again. What is going on today? Again disconnected. Mic is off. No. Audible? I am audible. अरे पिले सुबुची. I am
madam.
audible.
Yes, madam.
अरे, how many times we lost our net? I don't know. Now I find out that I am disconnected. तेरी So it is our series here. I can write down, and it is all cancelled out. We get this value. N tends to infinity. Sn is equal to this value. Therefore, the given series is convergent. Here we see. Therefore, the given series it is convergent. That the value is our 1. It is your n into, not n plus 1. It is your, the series is your, it is given like this. N into n plus 1. So it is not 1 by n plus 1. It is your n into n plus 1. Correct and read. Limit n tends to theorem. There is theorem. If the series limit n tends to 1 to infinity n is convergent, then the limit n tends to infinity n is equal to 0. If this is convergent, then we say it is your statement. Now, test for the divergence. Limit n tends to n does not exist. Limit you see here is n tends to infinity, n is not equal to 0, then the series is divergent. For here, example here, n is equal to 1 to infinity, n square 5 n square plus 4 divergence. Limit n tends to infinity, n is equal to that is 5 n square plus 4. That is, I can divide both the numerator and denominator by the n square highest degree. I'll get this value. So n tends to infinity, this will become 0. I'll get it is 1 by 5. According to this, for this series, if it is not equal to 0, then we say it is our divergent. According to this test. Yeah. Now come to the exercise problem. Geometry is convergent or divergent. If it is divergent, find this. So we found our r minus r. So this is now given. Here is a minus question number 9. A minus 2 plus 0.4 minus 0 plus so. So here 10 minus 2. So minus is 5 into that is get minus. Similarly, 0.4 into that is minus 1 by 5 to the power. You have to arrange like this. Then only able to solve. Here it is. Then 0.08. It is your minus, it is your minus sign, so it is minus 1 by 5 to the power 3. You get it is your 0.08. So Hair disconnect. I'm audible here. I'm audible here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have seen that my that is your what is presentation. You have seen or not?
No,
What have
ma'am.
always you've not seen.
No, ma'am. Your screen is not visible.
No, ma'am. You were
No,
not
not
audible.
now, but because I'm not audible also now.
You were
Huh?
not audible.
What I'll do?
Now you are audible.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking and screen is not visible.
What I'll do? Always I'm going after then joining. Again I'm doing now. Still trying to get in. It is visible or not? It is visible or not? It is visible or not? Visible. What I say to you for the geometrical here? Geometrical series. You are not asking. Geometrical series, all are not. I am asking. अरे delay. Are here for the geometrical series or the or I explain you again. I'm asking you that part. Still time is here. I'll explain you what you are saying. I'm
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
I'm audible. I'm audible. I'm audible.
Ma'am, still breaking.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.
You lost the network connection. I'm trying to connect. Hey, Bhagavan.
हेलो मैम एम आई ऑडिबल? मैम आप एक काम कीजिए, वाईफाई ऑफ करके वापस से ऑन करके ज्वाइन कीजिए मैम। वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है आपका क्लियर।
net disconnect. Lost network connection. I'll do. I don't know. Trying to cut. I am audible?
Not properly audible, ma'am. Voice is breaking.
Your net, no net in my college, no. I am joining my mobile. Voice is breaking. Trying joining, then disconnecting. What I'll do? So idiot, for me on Friday. Again, I'll explain you. What I'll do? I don't know. Again, I'm telling, then you can disconnect. So we won't go anymore. Please, it's not connecting. What I'll do, I don't know. Mobile. Class con nevi. Mundo gora migran mora. I am audible? I am audible or not? Hello? I am audible? I am going to the outside. I am audible? किच्छी सुबुनी आजी माने 2 घंटा क्लास बहुत हैरान ही ना मोर एटा काम करछि डंग ना मोबाइल ना नेट तो कॉलेज रे नाही कोन पढी कोर्स का सरिया थिला तांगर ए देखो ना मत भली बाहर को आसी आई एम ऑडिबल हियर
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हियर आई एम ऑडिबल सो
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
अच्छा ओके ऑडिबल
Yes, ma'am.
okay so now here I am not able to show you you have PDF. So now your geometrical series, I say about the geometrical series, that is your most important part. Okay. So now you have a question that I've solved there. That is question your 0.8. Then your for this geometrical series, I've not remembered that question. What I'll do? Here question number geometrical series, it is given there 19, 28, 51. Yes, question number 9. 19. Again, I am explaining you that geometrical series. That is most important, mind it. Try to see your PDF. 19. It is given as 10 minus 2 plus 0.4 minus 0.08. I am audible? I am audible what I am saying to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I am audible or
Yes,
not?
ma'am, audible, audible.
Okay. So your question, it is your cluster question is here. What I am saying, listen and see your PDF. Your formula of the geometrical series is your summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity n that is your r to the power n minus 1. If the value of r, absolute value of r is less than 1, if the absolute value of r is less than 1, then the series is convergent. And if the absolute value of r is greater than equal to 1, then the geometric series is divergent. So here our geometrical series summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity n r to the power n minus 1 is equal to our sum. This sum is equal to a by 1 minus r. So here the question it is given, question number 19. Question number 19, it is you're given that 10 minus 2 plus 0.4 minus 0.08 plus like this. So the question is saying that they using geometrical series, it is convergent or divergent. First you have to find out. And if it is convergent, then you find out the sum. The question is asking that one. So now listen here, it is 10 minus 2 plus 0.4. So minus 2 means it is our 10 by 5 is, I am getting it is minus 10 by 5. I am getting it is minus 2. Okay. Similarly, here it is 0.4. So 0.4 is your, that is 10 into minus 1 by 5 square, that is 1 by 25, that is your 0.4. 10 divided by 25, it is 0.4. Similarly, 0.08, that is your minus, it is written. So it is your 10 into minus 1 by 5 to the power 3. We can write down, it is in that form up to infinity. So that is our series is your summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity. A is our 10 and the value of r is our minus 1 by 5 to the power n minus 1. So the value of r is, though it is minus 1 by 5, so it should be less than 1. If it is less than 1, what do we say? It is convergent. This series is convergent. So if the series is convergent, so what is the sum? The sum is ours. That is your a by 1 minus r. You write down, it is a is 10. 10 divided by 1 minus, then it is your minus of 1 by 5. So minus 1 plus 1 by 5, simplify and get the result. That is your sum. So then after 19, you have 28. 28 is your, that is given as 2 series. The sum of 2 series, it is your, it is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 2 by 81 plus 1 by 243 plus 2 by 729, so on, plus dot dot dot. It is so on. So we can arrange it in the form of 2 series, sum of 2 series. That is in the form 1 by 3 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 by 243 onwards, 1 series, plus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 81 plus 2 by 729, that is onwards. So now here it is. So 1 by 3 first time, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 27, that is your 3 to the power 3. Okay. Then it is your 3 to the power 5. It is continuing like this. The other one, it is 2 by 3 to the power 2, 2 by 3 to the power 4, 2 by 3 to the power 6. It is continuing for the all even number. So then we write down, it is in the geometrical form, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 to the power 3, that I can write down 1 by 3 to the power 2n minus 1. The first one I can write down in this form, and second one I can write down 2 by 3 to the power, summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity. Here also summation over 1 to infinity, 1 by 3 to the power 2n, that I can write down. Then we convert it into the geometrical series. So first one I convert it as the 1 by 3 into 1 by 9 to the power n minus 1. If you simplify, you get the same result, 1 by 3 to the power, that is your 2n minus 1. I explained that part, but I don't know whether you are able to see that one or not. I don't know. Now I'm not able to explain. If possible, on Friday you have class, I'll explain that part. So we have two series, and here our R is, I am getting it is 1 by 9. So though R is 1 by 9, R is 1 by 9, so it is convergent. Then you find out your sum by using the formula A by 1 minus R. That is the sum of the series. By using that, you find out your formula. Just this, you see the PDF, and then question number 51. 51 is your 0.8 bar, means that is your 0.8888 like that. So what you write down, it is your, as a sum, we write down it is your first one 0.8, then plus 0.08, then plus 0.008, then plus 0.00008, like that we continue. So we can now convert it in the geometrical series form. So first one 0.8, then plus 0.8 into 0.1, then plus 0.8 into 0.1 square. So similarly, so it is your summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity, 0.8 into 0.1 to the power n minus 1. We can write down in that form. 0.1 to the power n, that is your 0.1, so it is R is less than 1, so it is convergent. And by using the summation, that is some A by 1 minus R, you find out this sum. Like this, you solve all three problems. If it is your, I think yeah, I completed your course, but still then I'll start on Friday. I'll explain you. I'm going to stop now.